How to import and work with graphics in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page where most of the graphic work happens. To import graphics like logos, overlays, or images, you simply drag and drop the files directly into the media pool or use the file menu to import them. DaVinci Resolve supports common formats such as PNG, JPEG, and TIFF, with PNG being the best choice if you need transparency. Next, once your graphics are in the media pool, drag them onto the timeline above your video track to layer them properly. You can then resize, reposition, or rotate your graphic in the viewer using the inspector panel on the right side. The inspector allows you to adjust position, scale, opacity, and even add effects like drop shadows or glows to make your graphics stand out. If you want to animate your graphics, you can keyframe their properties in the inspector. For example, you can create a smooth movement by setting keyframes at the beginning and end of your clip for position or scale. This adds a professional touch to your videos. Finally, if you need more complex graphics, DaVinci Resolve includes Fusion, a powerful node-based compositing tool. You can open Fusion by selecting your graphic clip and clicking the Fusion tab. Here you can combine graphics with effects, motion, and even 3D elements for advanced result. And that's it. Now you know how to import and work with graphics in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.